Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can quickly share a web link or a website to another iPhone or iPad using Airdrop. So let's say if you have a website that is particularly interesting and you want to share it to your friends or family members, and they also have an iPhone or iPad. Now the quickest way to share is to use Airdrop. So while you have the web page open, so you can open up Safari, go to a web page of interest, and to share this information to the another iPhone or iPad, you tap on this share button at the bottom, and then you tap on Airdrop in the menu bar at the top, Airdrop, and then in the devices list, tap on the device that you would like to share to. So here I've got iPhone 12 Pro. I tap on that, and immediately you can see on the iPhone 12 Pro it will bring up the web page, and immediately that person can view the information on that site. Now if you do not see the device available in this list, make sure on the device that you want to share to, they have turned on Airdrop. So go into settings, and in settings go to general, and then tap on Airdrop and make sure it is turned on. Now you can choose everyone or contacts only. So if you choose everyone, that means anyone can share you a link. That may not be a good idea, so perhaps you want to choose contacts only, and that's it. So that's how you can quickly share a web link or a website information to another device wirelessly using Airdrop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.